Hi, friends. Today's topic is how to make friendly conversation when meeting new people. Let's start the conversation practice. Hi there, I'm Dersh. It's really nice to meet you.
Hello there, I'm Vihan. Likewise, it's great to meet you too.
So, Vihan, what brings you here today?
I just moved to this city, exploring and meeting new people. How about you?
That's awesome. I'm here to socialize and make new friends. I love trying new things.
Me too. What are your interests or hobbies?
Well, I'm really into photography. I love capturing moments and telling stories through pictures. How about you?
Photography sounds fascinating. I'm passionate about hiking in the outdoors. There's so much natural beauty to explore.
Hiking is amazing. Have you discovered any great trails around here?
Yes, there's a lovely trail not far from here. It's my favorite spot to unwind.
I'd love to join you on a hike sometime. Do you have any favorite travel destinations?
I adore the mountains. Colorado is my go-to place for a getaway. How about you?
Mountains are incredible. I'm drawn to coastal destinations. The sound of the ocean is so soothing.
That sounds lovely. What kind of music are you into?
I have a pretty eclectic taste, but lately, I've been listening to a lot of indie folk. What about you?
Eclectic is good. I'm a big fan of classic rock. There's something timeless about it.
Classic rock is always a hit. Do you enjoy any sports or physical activities?
I'm not much of a sports enthusiast, but I do enjoy yoga. It's great for relaxation.
Yoga is fantastic for both body and mind. I've been wanting to try it. Any favorite books or authors?
I'm a big fan of fiction. Haruki Murakami's books are captivating. How about you?
Murakami is brilliant. I enjoy nonfiction, particularly science and psychology books.
Science is fascinating. Tell me, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a sweet dog named Max. He's a bundle of energy. How about you?
I'm more of a cat person. My cat, Luna, keeps me entertained.
Cats are charming in their own way. What's your favorite way to spend a lazy Sunday?
I like curling up with a good book and a cup of tea. How about you?
That sounds cozy. I often spend Sundays exploring new cafes and trying different coffees.
Coffee connoisseur, eh? Do you enjoy cooking?
I do. Trying out new recipes is a hobby of mine. What's your favorite dish?
I'm a fan of Thai cuisine. Green curry is my weakness.
Thai food is delicious. Green curry has that perfect blend of flavors. What do you do for a living?
I work in marketing. It can be quite dynamic. How about you?
I'm a graphic designer. I love the creative aspect of it.
That's awesome. We should collaborate on a project sometime.
Absolutely, that sounds like a fantastic idea. What's something on your bucket list?
I'd love to travel to Japan someday and immerse myself in the culture. How about you?
Japan is incredible. I've always wanted to learn a new language, like Spanish.
Learning a language is a great goal. I'm sure you'd enjoy it. What's your favorite way to unwind after a long day?
I find meditation really relaxing. It helps clear my mind. What about you?
I enjoy listening to calming music and taking long walks. It's a great stress reliever.
Music and walks are therapeutic. Do you have any hidden talents?
Well, I can juggle, but it's been a while. How about you?
Juggling sounds impressive. I can play the piano, though not as well as I'd like.
Playing the piano is a beautiful skill. What's your favorite season of the year?
I love autumn. The colors, the cool breeze, it's magical. How about you?
Spring is my favorite. Everything comes to life, and it's so refreshing.
Spring is a season of renewal. Do you have any role models or people who inspire you?
I admire Michelle Obama for her advocacy and grace. How about you?
Michelle Obama is truly inspiring. I look up to Elon Musk for his innovation and drive.
Elon Musk is a visionary. What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done?
I went skydiving once and it was exhilarating. How about you?
Skydiving? That's brave. I haven't done anything quite like that yet.
It was a spur-of-the-moment decision, but I'd do it again in a heartbeat. What's your favorite type of movie?
I enjoy comedies, they always lighten the mood. How about you?
Comedies are great. I'm more into science fiction and fantasy movies.
Science fiction can be mind-bending. Have you traveled internationally?
Yes, I've been to Europe. It was a fantastic experience. How about you?
I've explored a bit of Asia. The cultures there are so rich.
Traveling broadens our horizons. It's been great getting to know you, Vihan.
Likewise, Dersh. I'm looking forward to more adventures and conversations with you.
To improve your English conversations, start this video from the beginning without sound and try to converse in English as one of two people. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.
Kids Learning App Smart Kids free download description below.